Hello, 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 and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Mrs. M, and if you haven't, make sure you click to subscribe to my channel. That way you receive all the latest juicy cleaning business industry news. So today I am going to talk about the one thing, the number one thing that changed the way I thought about doing my cleaning business. The number one thing that changed the way I thought about doing my cleaning business was having myself in a position that I had customers coming to me. That felt so good. I mean, it just flipped everything instantly. So the number one thing that I would suggest is positioning yourself by different activities that you do that will allow cleaning customers to come to you, and you're not there constantly asking, begging, what is it that I can do to convince you that I'm the person? So the number one thing that I did was I started taking surveys when I did my cold calls. So I didn't just call them and have the normal script that a lot of people do. Hi, my name is so-and-so, and I am cleaning and blah, 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 blah. Now, when I first got started, I was able to do that because there wasn't so much competition. When I started years ago, some 25 years ago, there wasn't as much competition as there is now in the cleaning industry. As with most different industries, there's a lot of competition. So I always like to say there's a lot of noise out there. The purpose of this channel is to teach you how to build your cleaning business from 0 to 6 figures within a year. So we have a goal and a time frame. One of the ways to do that is when you have customers that are interested in doing business with you. One of the ways to do that are through surveys when you're doing your script. Now, there's telephone, in-person, mail-outs, and emails. My favorite is going to be emails. That is a lot easier to build that communication and the relationship. And business is all about relationships. So, one of the ways you want to do that is through a script. When you are doing your cold calls, it's not just enough to talk about your name and what you do only. You have to have a way to position your company where you're gathering information to even see if they qualify as being one of the individuals, one of the cleaning customers you would like to do business with. When you do your phone survey the right way, and you can use SurveyMonkey, which is a free survey that you can use, but there is a way you have to ask the questions to ascertain the information to get the information that you're looking for in order to then put you in the position where they are looking to do business with you. So before they've realized it, you have called them and you flipped the script where now they're looking to do business with you. They can't wait to do business with you. That's a great place to be. The other thing, of course, are referrals, refer a friend, where you are actually having referrals for individuals that know someone that can do business. That is actually word of mouth, absolute best position to be in. But if you cannot be in that position, the next best position are through other means like doing a survey when you're doing your cold calls to turn them into prospects that are anxious to do business with you by the way you position your script. There's a such thing as what I call a 6-figure cleaning business script. That script will have people coming to you where it's so much easier to build your business to 6 figures. Now, if you're interested in how to do that, then make sure you join me for my masterclass, which is 6-figure cleaning business masterclass from scratch. So this is something that will show you how to do your telephone, in-person, mail-outs, and exactly what to do on your emails that brings traffic to you instead of pushing it away. That's the key. That's the 2 thumbs up, bringing the traffic to you. So I am so excited about teaching the course, teaching this class, teaching the webinar. Make sure you register, click below, and it's a live class, so we have Q&A. Make sure before you leave, we have answered all your questions on the masterclass. So that's why we have a small class, so that way we can get all the Q&A in. Love to have fun, like to interact, ask questions, answer questions, and actually do something. The goal of the masterclass is to give you something that you can take from that masterclass. When you complete the masterclass, within about an hour that you can actually implement into your business right away. That is the goal of our masterclass. That's what we want to do. Now, of course, we will offer you the opportunity, if you want to go further in learning, an opportunity to work with us and make sure that you're able to do that as well. But we want to make sure that our masterclass feeds you and actually gives you actionable items that you can implement immediately. So once again, make sure you register by clicking below for Six-Figure Cleaning Business Masterclass from scratch, and look forward to seeing you soon. And until then, take care. Bye-bye.